In this video we are going to use the momentum oscillator, and we will also create a simple momentum monitor to see if it's above or below average. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that evaluates the momentum of a trading instrument. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking a little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the MathStatMath.mqh library, which provides statistical functions. Inside the OnTick function, we create a string variable named currentMomentumState to store the current state of the momentum. We then create an array named myPriceArray to hold several price values. This array is sorted from the current candle downwards using the arraySetAsSeries function with the second parameter set to true. Next, we define the properties of the momentum EA by calling the iMomentum function with parameters symbol, period, 14, and price close. This function calculates the momentum for the specified symbol and period using 14 candles and the closing prices. We use the copyBuffer function to copy the momentum values into myPriceArray. The parameters are the momentum definition, buffer index 0, starting position 0, and 14 candles. We then get the value of the current momentum by accessing the first element of myPriceArray and storing it in the current momentum value variable. To find the average momentum value, we use the mathMean function, which calculates the mean of the values in myPriceArray and stores it in the average momentum value variable. We compare the current momentum value with the average momentum value. If the current momentum value is greater than the average, we set the current momentum state to momentum is above average. If the current momentum value is less than the average, we set the current momentum state to momentum is below average. Finally, we use the comment function to display the current momentum value, average momentum value, and current momentum state on the chart. We press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation works, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that evaluates the momentum of a trading instrument using a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope by now you can see the momentum monitor on your chart and everything worked out. If this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what the code is doing, maybe you want to check out the premium course on our website. For now I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.